moving into the indeterminate sequence of what you want, most people find themselves in a state of uncertainty. This could go on for a very long time, and I'm going to teach you how to bring into your life more success without you burning out the physical body. Stressing the physical body on the name of making more money is the wrong track, for the physical body is sensitive. So you yourself know when you are not feeling right. So why still do it? You should ask yourself, am I feeling good or bad? In fact, start to pay attention of how you feel. Earning more money and becoming successful for most people is a restricted area. The idea of accomplishment is not just registered in their minds. It's just to settle for what is available, and it is this lack of understanding that keep most people go searching for answer outside of themselves. And when you think about it, that's what most people are looking for. They're looking for an answer outside of themselves, and they're never going to find it. There's something you want, but realize that what you want is already established fact. What you want is already here. It has its origin in consciousness. The material things that you have are not really material things. They are all consciousness that has taken form. Your mind is the only thing you have, and everything else is byproducts. You choose what to bring into form. You choose what to bring into your life. Whether it is more money, happiness, health, success, prosperity, everything comes to you exactly the same way. The same power that gives you 1 million will easily and quickly give you 1,000 without any difficulty. There's no limitation unless the limits you place on yourself. Remember, you are God's highest form of creation. You can do anything, and that's all there is to it. Your conscious thoughts reflect the mental picture into form. The form which consciousness hold. That is, anything you hold in your mind, if you take form by the same laws that governs this material world, you have to understand who you really are and your relationship with everything, with your goal, with your burning desire. And to the degree that you understand it, your results will change. You go after what you want very much, and you are setting a law in motion that will come to you in the fullest extent according to your belief system. You see, I always think for you to be more successful, you have to be smart or educated, or some of those false beliefs that I have inherited for someone else. But by the time I became aware, I realized that you don't need all of that. All you need is a proper use of your mind, the ability to control your mind. A lot of good will be happening to a lot of people if they will stop destroying themselves through the misuse of their mind. Because anything you don't understand, you have a tendency to misuse it. Becoming more successful is not dependent on strategy, and that is what most speakers are doing. It is useless to help one business. Your circumstances is just a reflection of you as a person. When you really want to help a person, you help the entire person, and to the degree that you are successful, you will automatically improve your circumstances. Make a decision now that you are going to bring into your life what you want, and nothing is going to distract you. Hold in your mind a mental picture of what you want. What you are doing is moving yourself to a higher state. It is from this spiritual plane that everything starts, although you can't see it, but it is happening. There's a lot of things going on that you can't see. What you call empty space is not just empty space, it is energy that is not yet awake. There are people that is going to tell you that you are crazy, you don't know what you're talking about. But trust me, people will obviously laugh. Don't give any attention to them. Keep your thoughts focused on the one thing you want very much, and do what is necessary. The Lord will take care of itself. Now, don't forget to subscribe. So bye for now.